Welcome, this is the Motorola Moto G54 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So unfortunately we have no installed by default AOD option, that's why we should open the Play Store and in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and just wait a couple of seconds. So now we should tap the open button to open the app, click to draw over apps and tap to Muviz Edge application, click to the switcher and go back to the app, switch H lights to AOD and select one from the available tabs, tap to apply and now let's just lock the device. So as you could see, we just successfully activated AOD option on our Motorola phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.